はお吸いいただけません。この列車は16両編成です。この列車は途中、京都までの各駅と名古屋、浜松、静岡、三島、新横浜、品川に停まります。
Welcome to the Shinkansen. The Super Express Hikari 710 departing at 1300 hours, bound for Tokyo, is arriving at track 12. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 16 cars. Car 16 is at the front of the train and Car 1 is at the rear. Cars 8, 9, and 10 are the green cars for passengers holding green car seat reservations. Cars 1 through 5 are for passengers without seat reservations. This train is completely non-smoking. Please refrain from smoking anywhere on the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at every station before arriving at Kyoto. After leaving Kyoto, this train will be stopping at Nagoya, Hamamatsu, Shizuoka, Mishima, Shin, Yokohama, and Shinagawa before arriving at Tokyo Terminal. Thank you.